This forest hides a billion-dollar secret. Millions of trees cut every day. But what does it become?
Ever wondered what a quiet forest is really hiding? Why do these machines move so slowly, yet with purpose? Because this is where an everyday product begins. What happens when steel meets a living tree? Why is every movement so precise? Because one cut starts a massive chain reaction. That fall. Did you expect it to matter this much? Why does a single tree create so much force? Because this is not destruction. It's transformation. Why are logs shaped so perfectly? Why stack them with such accuracy? Because efficiency begins right here. Where are these trucks really going? Why transport raw wood across such distances? Because something much bigger is waiting. Ever seen a factory this massive? What actually happens inside these walls? This is where raw nature meets engineering. Why remove the bark completely? Why let logs tumble in chaos? Because perfection starts by stripping everything away. What happens when blades hit full speed? How does solid wood break down so quickly? This is where structure disappears. These tiny chips, what are they becoming? Why reduce something so big into fragments? Because the real process starts now. What happens under extreme heat and pressure? Can wood actually dissolve? Watch closely. This changes everything. This swirling motion, what is it creating? Why does it look almost alive? Because this is transformation in action. Why clean it again and again? How do they remove every impurity? Because perfection leaves no room for error. Why does it suddenly turn white? What makes it so clean and pure? Because this is where refinement happens. Liquid pulp transforms into a solid sheet. Spread thin with precision, it begins taking form. This is the moment where paper is born. Water gradually drains away. The structure holds together as fibers interlock. Each layer strengthens the sheet naturally. High pressure is applied with precision. The material becomes denser and stronger. Compression builds the durability of the paper. Heat takes over the process. Moisture evaporates steadily. Strength forms as every drop is removed. The surface is smooth to perfection. Rough texture transforms into a flawless finish. Quality is carefully engineered at this stage. Massive rolls take shape with perfect alignment. Each layer wraps seamlessly. Precision reaches its highest level here. Blades move with extreme accuracy. Thousands of sheets are cut identically. Every edge remains perfectly clean. Sheets are stacked in perfect order. Automation ensures consistent alignment. Efficiency drives the entire system. The paper is carefully wrapped and secured. Protection ensures lasting quality. The final product is preserved perfectly. A final inspection is carried out by experts. Every detail is checked with care. Perfection is confirmed before completion. The result appears simple and refined. A smooth and flawless finish is revealed. This is more than just paper. From forest to factory to perfection. Every sheet carries a complete journey, a simple product shaped by a powerful process.